Welcome to Product Critique,
where we review the latest and greatest products to help you make informed purchasing decisions.
I'm your host, and in today's episode, we're diving into the E-Cloth Window Cleaner Kit. Now, let's talk about the E-Cloth Window Cleaner Kit. This kit promises streak-free windows with just water. Yes, you heard that right, just water.
No need for harsh chemicals or endless rolls of paper towels.
First up, we have the window cloth.
It's designed with microscopic, wedge-shaped fibers that easily trap dust, grease, and grime from your windows, mirrors, or any glass surface. And the best part?
It's reusable. Simply toss it in the laundry, and it's good to go for another round of cleaning. Next, we have the glass and polishing cloth. This is the second step in the cleaning process.
Once you've wiped down your surfaces with the window cloth, use this smooth weave cloth to remove any remaining streaks and achieve that crystal clear finish.
Now, let's talk about the experience of using the E-Cloth Window Cleaner Kit. I have to say, I was impressed. The two-step process was straightforward and effective. I didn't need to use any cleaning solutions, just plain water, and the results were remarkable. My windows were streak-free and sparkling. And it's not just for windows. This kit is versatile. You can use it on car windshields, mirrors, or any glass surface you need to clean. Plus, it's eco-friendly. By ditching disposable paper towels and harsh chemicals, you're not only saving money but also reducing your environmental footprint. The E-Cloth Window Cleaner Kit also comes with a 100-wash, 1-year promise, ensuring durability and longevity. So, you can count on it for many cleaning sessions to come. So, there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to achieve streak-free windows and mirrors while being kind to the environment,
the E-Cloth Window Cleaner Kit might just be your answer.
Thanks for joining us on Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments down below. Until next time, happy cleaning!